Facebook, founded by Mark Zuckerberg in 2000, of course, after 2004, one of the most influential social media platforms in the world. If I do say, initially created as a networking site for Harvard University students at the time at his age. It quickly expanded to other universities and eventually became available to the general public. With over 2.9 billion monthly active users, as of a recent data, Facebook has revolutionized the way people they connect, share the information, and they communicate with others and globally. The platforms allows the users to create personal profiles, shares photos and videos, post updates, and interact with the friends and family and the communities as well through comments, likes, and messages over the years. So when you say Facebook has introduced numerous of course the features, including groups, events, and marketplace, and Facebook Live, enhancing its functionality and user of course the engagement. So Facebook is really increasing the popularity across the world. However, Facebook has also faced the significant criticism and controversy. Why it's actually happened, you can say the issues such as data privacy, the breaches by the spread of misinformation is actually very dangerous, and it's the role in influencing political outcomes. Also have the raised the concerns among the users, governments, and advocacy groups. So the Cambridge Analytica scandal in 2018, however, user data was harvested without consent for political advertising, highlighted the platform's vulnerability and sparked global debates about the data ethics. So if we do say that another is regulation. Despite these challenges, the Facebook remains a dominant force, of course, in the digital landscape, continually evolving through acquisitions like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and others, and investing in emerging technologies such as virtual reality and metaverse. And of course the metaverse, while it has transformed social interaction and created opportunities for business and individual, like I do say that like Facebook's impact on social media remains a topic of ongoing discussion. So this is of course the normal and a few summary of the Facebook. Thank you very much.